Alright, good afternoon everybody. It's quarter till 4. It's up pretty good this morning. Actually, it's Sunday and I worked last night. So, worked 7 days. Well, it'll be more than that because I go back in tonight and it's my Monday. So, at least 5 more. So that's 13. Anyway, the plan for today, we're going to get the excavator out, and we're going to go back out back and tackle some logs. So I think we'll get the big chainsaw out today. We'll get the we'll get the 262 out and run that a little bit. How's that chain? Don't feel bad. Alrighty. Well, check the fluids in the excavator, and we'll see what's going on. I think I need the key for this. No, I don't. I changed that. Well, you want to talk about something sandwiched? It is sandwiched. Cute little turbocharger back there. Dipstick's way down. See that? You look straight on, you can't hardly see it. Somebody put a little bit of orange paint on it. Other than that, you'd be hard pressed to find it. And the oil's good. I need a light. There we go. The size of this alternator. But that's all you need, right? I don't know about that because everything on this thing is electronic, so that's actually a little loose. I might, yeah, I'm going to put a little bit on that. All right. Hold that thought. Okay. Got her tightened up, snugged up some. Check the rest of the fluids. Get my wrenches put away. This is what I metric wrenches in. I know it's kind of crazy, but I don't have an extra drawer in my toolbox right now. So they put that up on top with all my metric sockets. So anyway, yeah, we got yep, hydraulic oil goes fine. I think we need to get the door opener. And all right, I'll see you out back. All right, well, I don't know, I probably put 20-30 hours on this thing, and this is the first time she's regened on me. It says possible to work, but I was just getting ready to shut her down to do some cutting, so I guess I'll leave it sit here and idle. Possible hot exhaust. I feel, it's pretty hot. She's hot. So anywho, we'll leave her sit there and idle. I was going to leave it run up, but I guess you can leave it idle. But we got a couple logs laying here, so we're going to go get a saw and get it warmed up. and get to cutting. How's that sound, everybody? All right. We'll see you out back. Okay, well, change of plans. I got to do some measuring on the semi. One of the guys that works Michigan Speedway with me has a decal business, and I contacted him about making decals for the truck. So he wants some measurements. So if you come out here, turn around. Or for some reason, when I put this phone in this holder, it does not vibrate very much. So I don't know if you can pick it up on camera. Right in here is the old where it said Valley. It said Valley Transport crossed here. Valley Transportation's right there. And then Ashland, Ohio. So I need to measure that and send it to send it to Mike. He sent me the design, and so now I got to measure it so he knows how big to blow it up to. So I'll be back. I'm not sure how I could do this and take pictures to send to him, so I'll be back. All right, well, the chain that was on the saw wasn't cutting very good, so I grabbed another one that I had, put it on there. It ain't cutting very good neither, so file time. So I'm going to touch this chain up real quick and I'll take you guys along. Let's turn you around.
Office with the evening pager test. Time now 17:21.
Put my changes on so I can see. All right. All right, we'll have to see how that goes. All right, that was much better. 15 minutes with a file. Brought that thing to life, thank God. So, all right, well, we'll get this stuff split up and we'll go from there. All right, well, we got a little pile. And I had to clean the mess up. Boy, my phone's acting. She don't like it when it's cold. But yeah, speaking of phone, I'd have had twice that much, but every time I get going, the phone would ring. I got some fire department stuff I got to take care of, and decals for the truck. The guy that's doing the decals, he called me back a couple times, getting some measurements. And well, I had to stop and sharpen the saw. You guys seen that. I just put wood in the stove. Got her filled up for the night. Come on, baby, change for me. So she's smoking away. Full of ash and elm and maple. So that's good till morning. I gotta get the straw bales put around the house too before it gets real cold. Uh-oh, dark. Oh. Hold on, bear with me. We'll be in the garage in the light in a minute here. Hi, Max. Come on in here. There we go. Is he coming? There he is. Hi, buddy. So yeah, big saw's running good. Just the chain was crap on it. So yeah, we sharpened that up a little bit. Get me a Gatorade out of the fridge. I'd like to have a beer, but That's not going to happen. Gotta go to work. So anyway, yeah, I'm thinking there's this cylinder. My Bobcat, when I got the grapple or the clipper or the puller on my Bobcat, when you take your thumb and go that way, it closes it, and that way is opening. Well, this is backwards from that. So I'm studying this, and so I think all I gotta do is take the pins out here and here, this pin and this pin, unhook the cylinder hoses here and here, and just flip the whole thing 180. Just turn it around and put this hose back on this side, and that'll reverse it. The only problem is the greaser on the top. I see that now. Is there a spot for it on the other side? No. So that's my limiting factor. And you can't get a grease gun in there. And that never swings out far enough. So dang it. Well, when I got it out, I can drill a hole. I could drill a hole back here and thread it and then plug this one. So yeah, that wouldn't be that hard to do. And then the shaft can spin. Actually, I don't even have to unhook that side. I can just spin the barrel and rehook it. So then that greaser will stay out like it's supposed to be. So yeah, I do believe that'll work. And then they're all the same. I keep dropping things with this. So about 32 out right now. Sunday night. What is it, the 6th of December? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, kind of just a little short video Sunday. Like I said, I worked last night, worked Saturday and Sunday, so probably work next Saturday too, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good night. We'll see you on the next one.